We're excited you're joining us on our Mammoth Hike Challenge this October. We want you to have the best time exploring the trail and our trail communities. And we've got a great tool to help, the StriveON app. Let's get started on how to use the app. First, download StriveON. When it opens, it will discover your location. If you are in an area that is not a trail community, you will see a note about StriveON currently not having operations in the city at this time. But don't worry, you can change your city and find all 13 trail communities by typing their name. It will then be saved in My Cities. Right now, I'm in Cross Plains, one of our Ice Age trail communities. Look, it's found information for Cross Plains. You can scroll up and down to see things like the trails, organizations, dining, shopping, and more. This is a great opportunity to discover each trail community and help plan your hike. And don't forget to like a business so you can visit it when you are done in the area. Once you plan your hike and pick your location, don't forget to check in and click the Explore button to have an interactive engagement with points of interest where you can learn more. Create your own personal activity journal to share your Mammoth Hike Challenge journey. Snap a picture, add your story, save and share. We want to see all of the fun adventures you are having on your hikes and supporting the trail communities. It's time to add the Ice Age Trail Alliance as a StriveON friend so you can be in the loop for the Mammoth Hike Challenge. Click the Friends icon in the bottom right corner, click the plus symbol, and start typing Ice Age Trail Alliance. Once you find the Ice Age Trail Alliance, send a friend request. We'll accept, and you'll be getting lots of great information from us regarding the challenge. We've got some fun things we're working on, and we'll share them with all of our StriveON friends. I'll give you a hint, it will include Ice Age Trail prizes. StriveON can also help you plan ahead. Go into My Cities, find the Ice Age Trail community you would like to explore, click on it, find the things that interest you, and be sure to like it by clicking on the heart in the upper right-hand corner. Thanks for registering for the Mammoth Hike Challenge and using the StriveON mobile app. We hope you have a great adventure. By using the StriveON app, we're excited to come along for the journey.